asked Grok to make me a game, and well, it did. There was some issues like score getting to 21 and stops getting higher, but maybe this is because I never asked Grok to set a endgame win state. So this is what I said to Grok. Let's try something a bit more complicated, especially for me as I'm new to Python, but I understand the logic of programming. Can Grok write a simple 2D platform game with one ground floor, e.g. one plane for travel for the player, a horizontal plane? Game will use sprites that need to be loaded. Sprites will be 64 by 64 pixels, 64px square, and contain a transparency layer as a PNG, portable network graphic file. One main character that is the player. The main player is 64 pixels square in size. Main character will be animated from locally loaded PNG files, local to the scripts folder, with a total of 8 frames. 4 frames for walking left, and 4 frames for walk right. When character moves, animations will cycle. When character stops, animations stop cycling. Character animation frames will work on a loop while moving. E.g., if walking left, you play left frame 1, left frame to 2, left frame to 3, left frame to 4, and then back to left frame 1. The goal of the game is to avoid being hit by falling rocks that drop from the top of the screen. The main character avoids by moving left or right on the screen. The rock is 64 pixels square and loaded locally from PNG files. I would like Grok to get, load from a local folder, the character animation and rocks, PNG with a transparency layer, for the script to load and use in the game, and apply transparency layers. As a failsafe for error when loading PGN frames, form a local folder. If and image reference is not found, replace it with a solid red box, 64px square. The player will gain points for rocks that make it all the way to the bottom of the screen without hitting the player. If the player is hit by a rock, the game is over. Rock gradually fall faster over time, but their velocity is set at time of creation on screen and is constant. Rocks can spawn from any location at the top of the screen, on a horizontal plane, and from there, the rocks drop down toward the ground being the bottom of the screen. The ground platform that the player will be on can be a simple vector drawing of Grok choice, remembering it must be flat as the player character is moving on one plane, horizontally.
Foo? Foo? Are you busy, Foo?
Fuck off. Beth. Gaming.